Hello guys, welcome to the section of welcome to the Python. Today your TikTok topics are what is Python? Python is used for what can Python do? Why Python? Features of Python of programming language, differences between Python and C, execution of Python program, Python applications, Python and other applications. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991 February 20. Python is a very simple programming language, so even if you are new to Python programming, you can learn Python without facing any issues. Python is used for the Python language are used for the some of the applications that is more for web development, software development, mathematics operations, system scripting. What can Python do? Python can do be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to work workflow. Python can connect it to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for production ready software development. Why Python? Why you use the Python? Python works on different platforms, that is Windows, Mac. In both the softwares, that is both the Windows or both the operating systems, the Python will be work. So Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. That is the Python is same as English. How we know the English language, that how we learn the English, that the difficulty in Python. Python has the same compared than C language. Python is very easy. Features of Python programming language. Features of Python. Easy features of Python. Easy to learn. Python is very easy to learn and it is freely available in Google for downloading, for using, for anything. It is a open source. It has not required any application. It is easily open and easily we can find anything by using the program. It is exceptional handling. Large standard library. Memory management. It has inside it has saving memory management. Cross platform. Reliable. It has more number of features. Differences between Python and C. We can see now the differences between the Python and C one by one. Python C. Python is a multi-paradigm. It mainly supports object-oriented programming, procedural programming, and functional programming. It allows only some of the programming languages. C is a structured programming language. Python is a interpreter based language. The interpreter reads the code line by line. It reads one line by one line. C is a complicated language. The complete source code is connected into a machine language. It is converted to machine language as total language can be compiled at a time. Python uses automatic garbage collector for memory management. In memory management, there is a garbage collector for collecting of wastage of Python programming language. In a C programmer has to do memory management on his own. Python is general purpose programming language. C is mainly used for hardware related applications. Python is slow. C is fast. The difference between the both the speeds. Python is executed in very slow compared to C. In Python, no need to declare variable type. In C, is compulsory to declare the variable type. It may be int, float, some of the integers. Testing and debugging is easy in Python. Testing and debugging is harder in C. Execution of Python program. How the program will be executed. That is, what is the process of program to execute the Python programming. How we can wrote the program. How we can compile the program from starting to ending procedure. How the program will compile. First, source code. What code we are typing, that is called a source code. That code will be compiled by the compiler. That code converted to bytecode. The bytecode will be a virtual machine. The virtual machine connected to library for any mistakes or errors to shown, and the code will be run. The run code is the called as output. Procedure to execution of a Python program. Python code. Syntax checker and translator that can convert to bytecode. there is the input of bytecode is the input of PWBVM, that is called Python virtual machine, and the output is called the execution of program. Python applications, web development. We already seen the Python applications that are web development, desktop applications, software development, education, database, game development, networking programming, 3D graphics, etc. Python other applications. These are some of the major Python applications apart from what we are discussed. Conclude based applications. Audio or video based applications, applications for images, enterprise applications, 3D CAD applications, computer version facilities like face detection and color detection, machine learning, robotics, scripting language, artificial intelligence, data analysis, the harness of the Python programming. Execution of Python programming, addition of two numbers by using. Thank you.